Sekunesikhathi eside lungekho uzinzo komasipala baKwaZulu-Natal. Lokhu kuphinde kwengezwe nayinhlekelele zemvelo nokubulawa kosombusazwe. Omasipala abayisishiyagalolunye esifundazweni, uMsunduzi, Impofana, Inkosila Ngalibalele, Mtubatuba abaqulusi, uThukela, uMzunyathi nomkhanyakude bangaphansi kweso lomlawuli.
We are attracted by key developments in KZN itself. Amongst others is something that concerns us around the attacks and killing of both municipal officials and councillors, but there are a range of issues around financial sustainability, coalition governments and whether they are stable, and general issues that relate to service delivery.
Usihlalo we-I-Salga esifundazweni uThami Ntuli uthi yize kubulawa kosombusazwe kuyinkinga enkulu ekhungathe isifundazwe, zikhona nezinye izinselela okukhona kuzo amanzi nenhlanzeko edinga ukuxazululwa.
The aging infrastructure, which is an issue which we have been in fact lamenting about the I-Salga and the province of KwaZulu-Natal. And the second issue is the issue of the capacity in our municipalities, wherein I-Salga and the province of KwaZulu-Natal have come on board to try and empower the municipalities.
Untuli uthi kumele kuqashwe nabantu abaneziqu ezifanele komasipala kunciphe ukuqashwa kwezombusazwe.
It's a call that we have been making with several sessions wherein we're specifically addressing such issues.
Inhloso yomhlangano uqhamuka nezindlela ezintsha zokusombulula ingqinamba ekhungethe omasipala esifundazweni.